Hey, good evening, everyone. I hope you're doing well and had a nice Monday. Let's get started with today's topic. As we guys know what we are going to speak about, we will speak about law of attraction, right? And how, just give me a second. Can you hear me now? Working fine? Cool. All right. I was saying how law of attraction can be combined with EFT and how you can increase the results of EFT with law of attraction. All right. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. So, guys, what is law of attraction? This is a very famous terminology. This is a very famous, technique or term that I'm sure each one of you here must be very familiar with, right? You must have heard it in passing. Maybe you're experiencing it in your own life, right? So, what is law of attraction exactly? What does it say? If we have to explain it in one line, what does it mean? The Secret, yes. What is the crux in one line, Shrikant, that the movie Secret tells us? Thought become things, yes, absolutely. Wherever our focus goes, energy flows, right? Attract anything negative or positive, yes. So if you think positive, you make your life positive. If you think negative, you make your life negative, right? Easy attraction, absolutely. Now, all right. So you're absolutely right. As the name suggests, law of attraction, that you attract more of what you think. Your thoughts become things. Whatever you think becomes a reality. Now, law of attraction is great. It works magically. However, there is a way where certain people are not able to use it in their life in the best possible manner. Why? Because of a flaw that people are not, identifying. And I would not even say a flaw, but they're not used to using this law of attraction in the best possible manner. How do you use law of attraction in the best possible manner? Impatient, yes, one thing, that people want the results fast, and they do not give sufficient time to law of attraction to work. But one major challenge where people don't, I would say, don't use it in the best possible manner is that they keep changing what they ask from the universe very often. Okay, like the decisions change, keep changing in a month, in 3 months, in 6 months. They keep doubting a lot whether the decision that I've made will it even come true or not. And when you doubt the universe out there, when you doubt your decisions, or when you change your decisions every now and then, like 2 months, 3 months की आज कुछ कर रहे हैं, एक महीने बाद कुछ और करने का मन कर गया, maybe not giving enough time to law of attraction to work, it does not work for you. It takes a sufficient good amount of time for you to attract what you want to attract if you are using law of attraction. To give you an example, I think I used it sometime way back in one of my 5 a.m. sessions, but some of you may not have heard of this example. There's a man who goes to a restaurant once. Okay, there's a man who goes to a restaurant. He's very hungry. He wants to order something. He decides, what do I want to order? Okay, he is looking at the menu and he takes 15 minutes just to think and decide, okay, I want this. 15 minutes is a big time, right? Sometimes when we are going to the restaurant, we already know what are we craving, what do we want to eat, right? But this man takes 15 minutes. The waiter comes multiple times during that. He asks that, क्या लोगे sir, क्या लेके आना है आपके लिए? But he's not able to decide. He takes long, and then after 15 minutes, still in a very doubtful state of mind, still not knowing what I really want, he just orders something. For example, let's say he orders chili garlic noodles. Okay. Now this man is very doubtful कि यार मेरे को यही खाना था या मेरे को कुछ और खाना है. Maybe I don't want Chinese, maybe I want South Indian. So he calls after 10 minutes of again deciding that I want South Indian. He calls the waiter and he asks, sorry, if the noodles are yet not prepared, can I please change my order? It was rush hour, so his order had not been prepared. So the waiter says, okay, sir, I'll let me talk to the manager. And he comes back and says, okay, sir, we can order a dosa instead of, noodles. 5, 10 minutes pass, and this man is like, maybe I don't want this. Maybe I want dal makhani. I'm craving North Indian. I don't want South Indian or Chinese. I want something pure North Indian, maybe butter chicken or dal makhani sort of. Then he again calls the waiter 10 minutes later. 35 minutes have passed. He's not even able to decide what do I want. Man, 35 minutes में वो खा के जा भी सकता था. But he's still deciding what do I want. He again calls the waiter. The waiter is now frustrated. He's like, who is this man? What does he even want? But he cannot show it. So the waiter says, sorry sir, अब तो नहीं हो पाएगा change. When the man says, can I again change it? He said, sorry sir, अभी वो हो गया है, prepare. The man becomes very angry and he like starts shouting at the waiter that क्या है, मेरे को तो कुछ और चाहिए था. Why are you not giving me what I want? Who do you think is at fault there? Is it the restaurant and the waiter who is at fault, who was not able to take the new order? Or is it the man who is at fault, who's continuously changing his order? Right? And then he's blaming and putting the blame on the restaurant and the owner that they are not giving me what I want. The man changing the order, right? So, who do you think, when it comes to asking from the universe, who do you think is at fault? The universe, which is not giving us what we want, or is it we as human beings who keep on changing and asking different things at all point of time from the universe? Come on, guys. It's always the person who keeps changing the order that they are giving to the Almighty, to the universe. Today, you want to be, let's say, get into this kind of a side hustle. You want to give it only 1 month, 2 months time, and then suddenly you want something else. Maybe the same is happening in every area of our life. And you know what then happens? That even God gets confused कि भाई क्या चाहते हो? Ask and then wait for some time for me to create ways to give it to you, right? It's not like आज आपने मांगा और कल मैंने दे दिया. ऐसे नहीं होता, कुछ भी नहीं होता ऐसे. At least give me 6 months, एक साल का time. I will send the right people into your life. I'll fix certain things. God को arrangement करना पड़ेगा ना यार. Let's say, for example, Shrikant, my friend, since I always take your example. So, suppose Shrikant one day is praying to God कि भगवान पैसे वैसे की दिक्कत चल रही है यार, कुछ बताओ, कुछ नया आइडिया दो, give me some new idea, what can I do? Now God will have to think about, okay, what is the idea? क्या इसका बंदे का इंटरेस्ट लेवल क्या है, what will he become better at, what will he be interested in, how will I have to arrange the people in his family so that they also like the idea, so that they don't cause any resistance. Then is he doing something else that will get impacted? I cannot offer him something full time because he already has a business. Okay, so God को थोड़े ना arrangement बनाने पड़ेंगे. He'll have to then find the right people कि इसका mindset अभी नहीं ready. तो let me send Sonal into his life so that she can change his mindset. And 2-3 months down the line, I'll then send the right idea so that this guy is ready. क्योंकि अगर मैंने आज drop shipping दे दी, तो maybe this guy will not take it seriously. But if he's spending 3 months with this girl and she's changing the mindset, then after 3 months, this guy will be ready to take a new business model. But because he was not ready, I'm just taking an example, though it's a real example here, or not boasting myself, but this is God has mysterious ways. Probably in his case, it was 3 months that God took to send the person, and then 3 to 4 months God took to give him the right direction, and then 3-4 months God gave him to find the surplus money that he can put into advertising, and chal pada kaam. Okay, so sometimes it can take you 1 year to 2 years, not you, it can take the universe to God, the God to send the right people, to send the right opportunity, to create it in such a way that you then can, take it up from there. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाती है, लोग वेट नहीं करते इतना. दे आर लाइक, आई वेंट टू अ टेम्पल टुडे, आई आस्क्ड, और मे बी वट एवर रिलीजियस बिलीफ यू हैव, you go, you ask for it, and then you just feel मैं एक विजन बोर्ड लगा दूंगी दीवार के सामने, and I'll just keep praying to God, please दे दो, please दे दो. That's not how it happens. And then probably every 1 month I will say that यार भगवान सबकी सुन लेता है, बस मेरी नहीं सुनता. That's not how it works, guys. That's the first problem, that law of attraction does not work for people because they don't give sufficient time to the universe to fulfill its order. Have patience, think of a goal, and then just believe and put it to the universe that, boss, this is something that I want. And I'm ready to wait patiently until you give it to me. Number two, a lot of people feel that just asking for it is job done. I'll ask and then I'll just keep praying and magically things are going to happen into my life. Sorry to break it to you, it does not happen that way. The second piece of the puzzle, these two pieces have to combine together to form the complete puzzle, to form the complete picture, which is action. You can't just have a vision board, a dream chart prepared and put in front of your wall, and you can just keep praying कि एक दिन ये साकार होगा, एक दिन मेरे घर के बाहर Audi BMW खड़ी होगी, because I'm praying every day, right? I'm attracting it in my life. One day my bank account is going to grow magically because I'm attracting it, which is great. The first part is also important. You have to first visualize it. You have to first believe that, yeah, this is coming into my life one day. But the second part is also important, that you have to create ways to make it happen also for yourself. Like when God will come, He will not come sakshat in His roop in front of you and say that, ठीक है बालक बता क्या चाहिए. He will send people, He will send opportunities. You have to identify, take hold of them, and then do whatever is required to be done. All right, guys. So people, actually the movie Secret or the law of attraction principles, they've oversimplified the concept in your life. उससे क्या हुआ, लोगों को लगने लगा ये तो बड़ा सही है, हमें तो सिर्फ बैठ के ध्यान करके सोचना है एंड ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कम. इतना आसान नहीं है. काश होता, मजा आ जाता. लिटरली मैं सोते जागते वही मांगती रहती जो मेरे को चाहिए, राइट? Though it is very important for you to think positive and be positive and attract, at least think what you want to attract first before it comes true. But God also helps those who help themselves. A very important value education lesson. Okay? God helps those who help themselves, so you have to start helping yourself. When you combine both the things together, law of attraction works magically for you. Attraction has action in it, absolutely. Faith without work is dead. Even during taking action, people leave in between. Yes, 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 वो भी होता है. ठीक है, some people only try to manifest and then leave. Some people take action also, but then don't give enough time again for the universe to give you the results and they leave in between. Law of average always works, right? It's only going to be 5% people. But you decide whether you're in the 5% or in the 95%. वो तो हमारी choice है every single day that we make. And that choice is made every day. It's not made once in a month. It's not made on the 1st of January every year. It's made every single day. It's an everyday struggle. It's an everyday effort that is needed to be put. And उसमें मज़ा है. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप थक रहे हो or you're feeling too exhausted or you're like इतनी मेहनत क्यों करनी है. Boss, you're passionate, and only passionate people can put in day and night into what they want. Not everybody. Okay? Cool. Now, this was law of attraction. How does EFT come into picture? अब EFT को भी अगर लाना हो इसके बीच में, EFT makes it easier for you to think and attract what you want. Why? Because when you have to believe that one day you can be, let's say, making 10 lakh rupees a month, 20 lakh rupees a month, if you do aspire to have that much, and that belief is not coming, let's say, the belief itself is not coming, attraction ke liye, so EFT builds that belief in you. Understood? EFT वो belief बनाता है. When the belief comes, you start thinking in the direction that yeah, it's doable. कोई बहुत बड़ी तोप की बात नहीं है कि मैं महीने में 10 लाख रुपए कमा रही हूँ या कमा रहा हूँ. Okay? So basically, law of attraction works combined with EFT to build the belief and then to manifest and take action. EFT आपको एक्शन लेने के लिए भी पुश करता है, EFT आपको बिलीव बढ़ाने के लिए भी पुश करता है. सो योर मैनिफेस्टिंग पावर्स ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्रूव. विद मी? ज्यादा तो नहीं हो गया ना हेवी? Cool. So now what we are going to do, since some people always complain that on Monday sometimes I don't do tapping, we are going to get into tapping now, and we are going to work upon improving our manifestation power with EFT and law of attraction combined. Let's get started from the directly from here. We're not reversing any emotion here. We'll directly start from the Karate point. Let's get started. So it's directly start from the eyebrow point. There are so many big goals that I have in my life today. In all the areas of my life, I have huge goals that I want to manifest. In my relationships, in my personal life, in my personal development space, in my wealth, career, money, physical fitness, mental fitness. There are so many goals that I have that I wish to make true. But somehow I just feel that whatever I think I'm not able to attract to the best of my ability. Maybe I want a lot of things, and I know somewhere deep within that I can manifest them also, but sometimes it just looks too difficult. The one most important reason behind this can be that I have changed what I want from this universe so many times that even the universe has gotten confused that what I really want. Maybe my thoughts are going in 100 different directions. And that is why I'm not able to attract one single thing. Because I'm not staying on one single thing. I'm learning 10, 20, 50 different things at the same time and not executing any one of them. Or maybe I'm only wanting but not taking any action. I want, I have it clear that this is what I want, but my execution is low. My execution is not at par at which it should be. And that is one of the biggest reasons that despite the desire, despite the want, I have not been able to manifest what I would like to have. And today, I would like to change that. I would like to give clear cut instructions to the universe as to what I want in life, as to what I really wish to have in life. I will be first clear in my own head, then I will communicate it to the universe that this is what I want, and then I will only take action patiently, waiting for the universe to bring me the results. I will not keep changing the thoughts, keep changing what I'm learning, keep changing what I'm executing just because the universe is taking time. I need to have faith that God, this universe, is going to take some time to give me the results that I desire. It's not going to be immediate always. It's not going to be in a month or two. Probably God has a bigger plan for me, which I am not able to visualize. But one thing is for sure that the inner voice will always tell me the truth. If my inner voice is giving me an idea, if there's an intuition that I'm having deep within, then that is the first signal that God, the Almighty, that superpower, the creator of the universe, is trying to give me that follow what I'm saying deep within. Yes, I'm going to take some time to rearrange everything else around you so that you can pursue what you want, so that you can be successful at what you want. You trust me, and I will send the right people at the right time into your life. Yes, you will have to identify that this is the right person, and then you will have to stick tightly to that person until they make you reach where you wish to reach, and even far beyond. I just trust me. You are like my daughter and son. This is what God is thinking right now. That you are like my daughter, you're like my son. I'm there with you. I'm going to give you what you need. You just have faith in me. You just have trust in me. Have faith and wait for me to give you the results. Please don't get deviated. Don't let the opportunities pass by, because I make lot of effort to give those opportunities to you. I work hard just to bring the right opportunity to you, and then you follow it for 3 months and then you let it go. All of my effort goes to waste, my son, my daughter, all of it goes to waste. All the effort that I made in sending the right people into your life, the right kind of opportunities, the right business idea, the right side hustle, it all goes to waste because you suddenly decide in 3 6 months that it's not working for me. Give it some time. Have faith in me, and I'm sure it's going to work out for you. Just keep taking massive action and just keep believing that it's not too far. And I'll make sure that I stand tightly holding your hand and I take you to the other side along with me. Just stay strong, have faith in me, have faith that I'm going to make it work out for you, and just keep taking action. Keep taking action with faith within you that it's going to work out for you. I'm there with you, and I'm definitely going to make it work for you. If each one of us can build this faith and can just take action every single day towards our goals, towards our desires, we are going to be able to live a very different reality. I'm ready to believe in that inner voice, in that intuition that I have, and I'm ready to give it my all from today. I'm ready to believe in that inner voice, that intuition that I have, and I'm ready to give it my all in the form of my actions every day. All right, guys, keep your eyes closed and take a deep breath and relax, okay? And when you're ready, just slowly open up your eyes and not be so serious. All right. I can see some smiles coming. I can see both Anita and Nikita change their backgrounds. Now it's again looking same. All right. All right. All right. All right. So guys, how are we doing now? How are we feeling? Can we now attract what we want? दो ही चीजें करनी है. एक, थोड़ा सा फेथ रखना है, थोड़ा सा टाइम देना है टू द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन टू वर्क. एंड नंबर 2, एक्शन लेते रहना है, उसमें पेशेंट रहना है. ठीक है. लाइक पीपल बिकम इम्पेशेंट अबाउट रिजल्ट्स. वो नहीं होता. रिजल्ट हमेशा विल कम बेस्ड ऑन द एक्शंस ओनली. So take actions and just stay patient that results are going to come. Cool? Anyone who would like to quickly in a minute share how they are feeling right now? Abundance of patience is required. It is. It is. Yes. If no one wants to share, Yashwant? All right. Go ahead.
Yeah, I have taken some amount to be donated for charity for two NGOs. That's a huge amount, but I am very clear that from last 1 or 2 years, I am progressing little by little. But within this couple of days, when I am very clear and into this EFT sessions, the universe is orchestrating all the necessary things which will help me to build that amount. Like, and yesterday I got to meet one person who told me so many new things or new ideas. He gave me so many insights that I'm damn sure when I was tapping also that time I was fully confident that definitely I'm going to meet that goal, because I've taken that this and I'm declaring in public also that I'm going to donate. I have a what wish to donate such and such amount to the two NGOs, that thing. And I can see that universe is orchestrating, is doing everything possible for me to make that goal too. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Which is so great. Nice. Thank you so much for sharing that. Like, literally, there are mysterious ways that the universe sends the right people, they send the right opportunity, they send money also when you absolutely need it for the opportunity. Okay, वो magically create हो जाता है. You don't even realize how it came. So it just follow that intuition and yes, declare it to the universe and to the people if you want. उससे ना pressure create हो जाता है आपके ऊपर, right? कि अब तो करना है यार, लोगों को बोल दिया. Yes, Kavita, go on.
Yes, last month. This is nothing about, I mean, this is regarding about my debts, which last month I had a really very pressure of paying my credit card bill for the last month. I was really under a pressure to pay that bills. But in the last moment, my mother came down in front and tell that, okay, this time I'll give you some, I mean, she gave me my her bangles to pledge, and then I could pledge and then get some money out of that. And the last day, the last minute before it gets, I could pay my credit card bill. But I didn't expect that help from my mother at that point of time. But unfortunately, she helped me. And that day, that stress which I was undergoing through, when I paid that amount, I was really relaxed, actually, I can say. So, I mean, why I got this example is after I doing my EFT only, people, I mean, still last time she was not at all talking about money. She will never help me out in money. But after I started doing from December 18th, I started doing my EFT. January 4th is that one I was about to pay bill. And suddenly she came up with this idea and she gave me and I could pay on January 4th. So I just want to bring this because EFT has given me a great this one.
Thank you so much, Kavita. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you for
Yeah.
sharing that. So happy
Yeah.
to know that EFT has created like such a
Yes.
difference. Thank you. Yes, Yashwant, you wanted to say something more?
I would like to reveal the amount here also, because this is
Okay.
also our EFT group. So it
Okay.
is not like that. And you are also one of my mentors. So I would like to, that is one of that NGO is where I am a trustee of that NGO which run in Pune. The other one is near Meerut, that is International Association for Scientific Spiritualism. And the
Okay.
one which I am running, I am a trustee, that is a real life, real people. So we are taking care of all the, we can say, poor or destitute
Okay.
who are
Okay.
in, yeah. So, so for that 1.25 CR per NGO, which comes to 2.5 CR. And I'm damn sure when I am clear, the universe will definitely help me in achieving that goal. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, Yashwant. You just inspired me to think something in similar lines. Why did I never think in that? I never thought about a fixed figure in my mind, but I just have that thought right now after listening to you that करना है यार मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा सही करना है. Thank you for sharing that, and really wish you all the best. I wish that we are still connected when you are donating that amount and you just declare it again to the people over here that I did that. It'll be such a happy feeling. Um, yes, Alka, go ahead. Tell me.
Even what I want to say, Sonal, is that I think I've been doing EFT for the last 6 to 8 months. It's not that challenges are not coming up, they do, but I somehow find the way to overcome them, and I mean, I don't get overwhelmed or frustrated like I used to before. I know that I will find a solution for it. And so it's brought me, it's, bringing a sense of peace and calm to me. And I'm enjoying this kind of a, phase in my life. And it's all thanks to you.
Not to me, to EFT. And
Okay, I mean,
probably,
I came to know EFT through you, so it's so, it's a very nice feeling, that, yes, it does bother me for a time, but and then I immediately come up with a solution also. So it makes a lot of a difference from what I used to go through before. Okay,
thank
thank you,
you.
Sonal. Thank you,
Thank you,
EFT.
Alka. Thank you for sharing. Thanks to Akash who taught me EFT. I just attributed to him. Thank you so much. Uh, all right. A lot of people are now suddenly, you know, gaining the courage and the feel to speak like, sure, go ahead, Parinda.
Okay, one thing I want to tell over here. This is my really personal story. Uh, around 2 years back, my daughter, मतलब there are so many बहुत सारे झगड़े घर में होते थे. हम 4 जन ही है, लेकिन चारों जन का घर में रहना मुश्किल हो गया था. And then my daughter, it was like a I have 2 daughters, and elder one को कभी भी मतलब फादर का लव नहीं मिला, and she's always craving for that कि मुझे फादर का लव चाहिए ही चाहिए. And the younger one is getting, but the elder one is not getting, and I'm not finding the solution for that, and even I don't have an answer for that. तो पहले मैंने कुछ मतलब सी आता रहता है ना, एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ये सब कुछ ट्राई किया. तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर को भी दिखाया. देन एट लास्ट एस्ट्रोलॉजर also gave up. Okay, and because of that she was at times she was too violent, and it was a time के बातचीत मारा मारी तक भी पहुंच गई थी. हस्बैंड ने उसके ऊपर हाथ भी उठाया था, उसको घर से बाहर भी निकाल दिया था. बट देन एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजर टोल्ड मी कि इसका एक ही सॉल्यूशन है, आप इसकी शादी करा दो. शी इज 22 राइट नाउ. तो बोले आप इसकी शादी करा दो, और तो कोई मेरे को सॉल्यूशन दिख नहीं रहा है. व्हेन शी विल गेट लव शी इज काम डाउन. बट at that point I was not ready for that solution. Well, this is not the solution. This solution I'm not accepting because मेरे हिसाब से ये कोई solution नहीं है. And that day I believe in Santoshi Mata, and I tell Santoshi Mata कि yes, I'm not accepting this solution. मुझे genuine में proper solution दो. And मतलब बहुत दिल से मैंने बोला था. And today I'm so blessed and so happy that I got the solution through Reiki. Now मेरे घर में शांति है, and we are living happily. I know this is a painful memory for me, but just you said about the manifestation, that's why I'm just sharing with you. And that's how my life started changing. Still changing, but this is what I wanted. मतलब मुझे जो चाहिए था कि दोनों अच्छे से प्यार से रहे, तो वो फाइनली आज की डेट में वो पॉसिबल हुआ.
Wow, wow. Guys,
Consider as a manifestation only,
it does,
and I
it
was not
does
ready
work.
to accept it.
So happy. Each one of us
I
is so
believe
happy that
everything is not money.
true, everything is not about money.
And,
It is, but
and when I'm searching for the Anushan for the money, and then you came in my life.
I mean, maybe
So
just the universe had a way, but I'm so happy
yeah,
to hear that everything is working fine in your family now. Thank you for
thank
sharing that, Parinda, and that too with such a large group. Thank you for sharing. Yes, Lavanya, you want to say something?
Hi, Sonal.
Hello.
And I want to thank you first because before 8 months, I was with very much low confidence and low self-esteem. And after actually due to angel number only, I trusted you and I joined you. And it was really a magic that I have transferred into a woman with great confidence. And today my relationship is getting tuned with my husband. He started to trusting me. I want to say that because of this EFT, because before 8 months we were always fighting, and he will not trust me. And he is a businessman. He used to be tensed always. Now I started to help him also in his business. Before 2 days, there was a great thing happened due to law of attraction. I want to share this actually.
Mm-hmm.
I use EFT and your insights also. He was very much struggling to take an employee to his office. He was low confident as no one is joining, and I just manifested that in my mails, they are so much are applying for the job at 7 o'clock. And I really got an idea to post in Indeed and many sites, job sites.
Mm-hmm.
At 10 o'clock, he's calling me. Many emails are coming for job inquiries, what you did. They really 50 application came
Wow.
within half a day.
That's
Really, that law of attraction works very well that time. I believed, I felt, and I took action. Law of attraction works magically. And those confidence, everything came because after attending your session only. Before I was not like this, but it was okay. So I want to share this to you, everyone. That's
that's so
I
great.
also
So great,
I
Lavanya.
also read the book Secret. In that, I read one page that have manifested that bills into cash check. So that I implemented that. That really works very well.
He's saying hi
And
to
thanks to universe and thanks to Sonal. Always I used to thank you for all these things happened in my life.
That's so
Thank you,
great,
Sonal.
Lavanya. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Happy that you could get the lot of people, and I hope you hire the right employee for your business, like your husband. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. All right. So, Snehaja, we'll take you last, and then we will wrap up because now he has come and he wants my attention. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Sonal. Very cute kid you have.
Like
God
me.
bless him. Yeah.
Thank you.
My life was a little tipsy-turvy. My life was good until 2 years back. And then it took a 360-degree turn. I quit my job because of certain reasons. And I lost my confidence. During this phase, I lost my in-laws as well, and my husband had 3 major heart attacks. So it was a nightmare last 2 years, and I literally had my confidence had really gone down. I did not know how to come out of it, and I was looking forward for a miracle. And I was praying continuously, and you came from nowhere. And after started doing the power of manifestation, basically the power of manifestation has worked for me right from childhood. Whatever I ask, I get it. But last 2 years have been a little difficult, you know. I was questioning myself, and that is why the manifestation power was not working. But after starting the power of manifestation, after starting the law of attraction, especially EFT, things started taking a turn. I started becoming confident again. Many good people started coming in my life. I've been searching for a job for the last around 3 months. I mean, I said, I have to do it. I cannot sit like this in life. I've never been idle in my life, you know. So I said, I have to do something. And during the EFT, I prayed for that. I prayed for money. I did EFT for job. And I do EFT for gratitude as well. And I remember you, and I thank God that you are in my life. So yes, I found a wonderful coach who has been in the industry for the last 32 years. And I signed up for a session. I attended his masterclass this 30th, 31st, and 1st of February. So 30th Jan, 31st Jan, and 1st of February. He's conducting a boot camp in which he is going to help all of us who have signed up. And the testimonials that he showed us after this class and giving you 100% during this particular boot camp, there have been people who got a job during the boot camp within 3 days. But yes, definitely during the next week. And I feel very confident that yes, it's going to happen. I get that intuition. I have a very strong intuition power. And I can feel from within now, it's coming true.
So happy to hear all of that happening for you, Snehaja. And sorry to hear what happened in the past, but it's great that it's working out for you. And EFT has played a role in it. So thank you for that.
EFT has played a very strong role, and I am a perfectionist, but nowadays when I do something, I remember, no, Sonal said, it's okay to be imperfect. Everybody in this world is imperfect.
Yeah.
Everybody was imperfect. All the great leaders are also imperfect. So I don't stress myself a lot now to be perfect in everything. I just chill karo yaar. It's okay.
Don't make best the enemy of better. That's what my mentor says. So
And that's what I've learned from you as my mentor. So thank you very much.
thank you for that. All right. Thank you so much, Snehaja, for sharing. Thank you, everyone, for being here. It has been awesome hearing from so many of you that EFT is working like magic. That's my mission. That's the mission I'm on, and I'm happy that it is actually serving its purpose. All right. Thank
Yes.
you so much, everyone. For those of you who meet me at 5 a.m., I'll see you tomorrow morning. Otherwise, let's meet Monday, 7 p.m. Please take care, everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a wonderful day.